decal tool can be found up under the transform tool. If you click on drop down, you will see decal just there. It will be asking for an image. So what we're going to do with the decal is it's basically putting a picture, an image, can be text, something onto a part. Now, the image you choose can be absolutely anything. You'll upload it, so you'll import it from your own documents. I recommend a JPEG file or a PNG file. I've just got a random children's balance bike here. I'm going to click on that, and it has selected that image for me. It then asks us to add it to a face. So I'm going to click on the face, and then for this cube here, I'm going to click on this face. And as you can see, it has automatically placed it so it fills the face. Now, if I was to go normal 2 by clicking N, we can obviously move this image around by using the drag commands here, or we can type in the number. So if I want to go back to where it was, you can press 0. This is going to scale it, so this arrow, move it backwards and forwards, can be quite useful depending on if you have a specific point that you need to put it to and therefore change the size. And we can also rotate it using this arrow here. Not that we want to do that for now. So green tick that and you will have your decal on your face. So potentially you want to, I don't know, start tracing around it. You may want to go and then sketch over the top, so you can choose the same plane. You can get your circle. In fact, this is probably going to be better if we use an ellipse here. Oops, sorry. Get my ellipse back up. There we go. It's roughly what angle we're looking at, probably this sort of angle. And then you can move that around to get it into roughly the right place. Okay, so you can then sketch over the top of that and basically utilize the decal that you've put on top. It won't wrap around multiple faces. Okay, that's one of the slight issues with it, which is a bit of a shame, but that's not the end of the world. If you want to, you can split your image in half and paste it onto 2 faces and then line them up. That's quite a nice way of dealing with it. It will, however, wrap around a cylinder. So if I was to go back up to decal up here, get my image, click select, add my face, which is this cylinder, you can see that it has wrapped around that face there. And if I scale it up, it will continue to wrap around, which can be quite useful for obviously cylindrical surfaces if you're putting logos on, all those kinds of things. So that is the decal, hopefully quite straightforward for you. Do go and use it.